The Kentucky Department of Education released assessment and accountability data for the 2023-2024 school year. This data basically amounts to report cards for schools. ABC 36's Sydney St. Clair now joins us in studio. And Sydney, you spent the day going over the scores for schools here in Fayette County.
Yes, that's right, Paxton. Now, the data was released just after midnight by the State Department of Education. And according to Deputy Superintendent Barber, FCPS has improved since last year. He spoke with me about the measures the board has put in place in hopes of improving those scores and what this means for Fayette County.
On Wednesday, the Kentucky Department of Education released data on assessment and accountability for the 2023-2024 school year. In Fayette County, the numbers have continued to improve since last year.
You know, we've made some strides and progress in a lot of our schools in closing the gap. We know there's still achievement gaps exist, and Dr. Liggins, who has put in a strategic plan with the Board of Education, has focused on those priorities to really close the gap.
Schools are ranked in 5 categories, starting with the lowest at red and the highest at blue. According to the data, FCPS had 4 schools with red ratings, 12 with orange ratings, 18 yellow, 11 green, and 11 were rated blue. Dr. Houston Barber says many factors are contributing to the recent success.
We're proud of our teachers, our staff, and all of our leaders at the local campuses because they really are doing professional learning communities that focus in on real-time data, and something that we're going to continue to put in place.
Attendance rates are also up 91% this year. Barber says he was very excited when he heard the scores. However, he says there is still plenty of room for improvement.
We call them leverage points. We're very focused on providing school-based instructional coaching, working on real-time data for understanding where our students are, and wraparound services focused on the whole child.
Along with better scores, Dr. Barber says FCPS has also seen a rise in graduation rates, almost 93% in the past 4 years. Sydney St. Clair, ABC 36 News Now.